How to use Uber application. The first step is that you need to download and install the Uber application. You can either visit App Store, search for Uber and then tap on Get to install, or go to Google Play Store and search for Uber. After that, tap Install. After the installation, now you can open up the application and open the app and then sign up using your email address and your phone number. Then set up your secure password. After that, you may also be asked to enter your payment method. So once you have logged into your account, you land on your home page. The application uses GPS to detect your current location automatically, but if you wish to pick up elsewhere, you can enter your location while searching for rides as well. So in order to enter your destination, head towards the top section of your home page. There is a search bar that says where to. Tap on it. Now you can input your desired destination under the text box that says where to. At top of that where to text box, there is your current location. If you want to change it, tap on it and then you can also change your current location as well. After you type in your desired location, you can search for a ride and then swipe up to view all the available ride types such as Uber X, Uber XL or Uber Black. And there each option will display the estimated fare and arrival time. Then you have to select your preferred ride, which is best for you or suitable for you. Then tap on confirm. The application will match you with a nearby driver. And once matched, you will see the driver details including their name, vehicle model and their license plate number as well. Then you can track the driver's approach on the map as well. And you have to wait at the specified pickup location and ensure the vehicle details match before boarding. And during the ride, you can feel free to ask the driver to adjust settings like temperature or music. And once you arrived on your destination, the fare is automatically charged to your selected payment method. The application will prompt you to rate your driver and provide feedback. You can also add a tip if you wish to. So that's the way to use Uber application, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.